In this video we're going to make this beautiful animation. I'm using Blender 2.83, so let's start. Shift A, Mesh, select Torus, press R, Y and 90 to achieve this position, shade it smooth. Now go to Modifier Properties, add modifiers and subdivision surface, apply it. Shift A, Mesh, Cylinder, press S. Scale it down and press G to move it out. Again press S and Z, scale it down like this in Z axis. Now press Tab, go to face mode, select the top, press S and E to extrude it up like this. Move it in this position and R to rotate, S and E, S, again E and S and E and S. Press Tab, shade smooth, add modifier, subdivision surface. Before applying it, press Tab again, select bottom, press E, Tab and apply it. Now let's put the colors on both objects. On Torus I'm going to put this orange color, and on this shape this color is good. Okay, now again select Torus. Now here in particle properties, select here and select render and select object instead of paths and select this object. So now you can see that this object is all around the torus. Now enter 1500 in number. I think this number is perfect, and enter 5 in seed and enter 10 in segments and increase the hair length like this. Select this, press S like this. Now again select the ring and enable the object rotation in object properties and select it and press R and rotate it. I think this shape is perfect. Now again go to add modifier and select wave. Let the speed down to 0.6, yes, and height to 1.3 and press space, play the animation, select normals and deselect Y and Z. Alright, I think this type of movement is good. It's looking great. Okay, press space again to stop the animation. Now select this ring. Now I'm going to make two rings, the inner ring, the outer ring. Now press Ctrl C and V to make copy. Now this is the outer ring and this is the inner ring. G to move these jacks, to move them away from the screen so we can see just our ring. So let's animate the ring. Now here's click this recording button and on the 50th frame second I'm going to rotate the outer ring. Press R like this and I'm going to scale down the inner ring. Yes, like this. On the 70 frame second I'm going to scale it up like this, and the outer ring will rotate in the opposite direction, and on the 100th frame second the inner ring is going to scale down like this and the outer ring is going to scale up like this. And the 140th is going to scale down and rotate in the other direction like this. On the 180th it's going to rotate like this. Okay, and this inner ring is going to scale up. Yeah, it's better here. And on the 2/10 frame it's going to scale down like this. Okay. Okay, it's looking beautiful. We have to put lights to our scene. Press Shift A. Now select light and point. Put this light in the most center point like this. And I'm going to give it the orange color. Okay. And the power will be 120 watts. Or maybe I think 140 will be good. Now again, Shift A, select light and point. Press G to move out. And I'm going to give it blue color. Like this. A little darker, and the power will be 180 watts. Good here. Now Shift D, duplicate it. Shift D, again duplicate it. Shift D, Shift D, and Shift D, duplicate it. Now this ring is different from the video which I have shown you before, but this is the same thing. Almost, I think, same thing. You can make different thing. Now let's put the camera in our scene. Press 0 to look through the camera. Go to camera properties and type 28 in the focal length. Yep, it's good here. Now in render properties, select ambient occlusion and bloom and screen space reflections. So let's see what's the final result. Oops, I forgot to turn the color black in the world settings. Okay. Alright, I think color should be a little stronger. Light should be stronger here. Why not? I think it should be 200. Shift D. Now let's see. Alright, so now it's looking good. Alright. Now let's just render the animation. Go to output properties, select the folder where you want to save your animation. Give it the name you want. I'm going to give it the TR ring name. Accept and select this format, FFmpeg video, and go here, render, and click render animation, so you will get your animation. So that's all for today, friends. I hope you have learned something from this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, share this video so you can get more content like this. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks.